Hindi lamang ito pagdiriwang ng mga nagawa, kundi isang muling pagpapatibay ng ating sama-samang misyon, ang protektahan, bigyang lakas, at itaguyod ang bawat batang taga Davao del Norte sa pamamagitan ng edukasyon at kahandaan.
You are the reason our learners dare to dream bigger when curriculum thrives, governance strengthens, and partnership flourishes. It is because of you.
Welcome to Kinaduyuan 2025, a celebration of excellence, partnership, and resilience.
Today, we celebrate you, your collaboration, whether through resources, mentorship, or advocacy, has transformed classrooms into sanctuaries of hope. You remind us that education is not a solo journey, but a bayanihan of hearts and hands.
That our theme indeed, excellence, partnership, and resilience, will roll into one to make us more productive, faithful in our work. In this celebration of Kinaduyuan, for everybody's knowledge, this is already our second year. And in our second year, much as I would like to let you immediately to have the grandest celebration, but we should remember that the ultimate precedent for recognition is relatively closer to what God would like each of us to achieve. It's not all about what you have received, but it's all about what you did with what you were given.
Together, let us continue to build DepEd Davao del Norte, where every learner thrives, every educator shines, and every partner walks beside us with pride.
Ang mga parangal ay pagpupugay ng nakaraan, ang pakikipag-ugnayan ang bumubuhay sa kasulukuyan, at ang katatagan ang nagsisiguro ng ating kinabukasan. Sa ating mga kawani at kasamahan, mga partners and stakeholders na walang sawang tumulong at nagmalasakit, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sama-sama, hindi tayo nagtatayo ng mga paaralan. Tayo ay nagtatayo ng pag-asa, dangal, at pamana para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. At higit sa lahat, sa pagkakaisa, may lakas. Sa lakas, may pag-asa. At sa pag-asa, may kinabukasan para sa bawat batang taga Davao del Norte.